Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza injireni ya kulikithia mubango yuyo kwagirithia ũgima bwa mwĩrĩ ntere mwanya mwanya wa nthigurune ya Kenya nibo kendo tirote antu bakethera bagikwa gaita karaba kinyitho cibitari nibo kenda kwamukira motungata ibetete na mbere na kwithirite kwina kasakasa nyingi macibitari ni ama malusi ya buratotarirwa imwandiki wetu wa ndeto kuma mushi munene wa Nairobi Anthony Kathenya.
Gwaka gita kanene thibitari nene te ya Kenyatta na ile ya Mama Lucy na inge nyingine jiethirite thinani nene ya kwithira mbele ya kamiti ya bunge nene ya ũgima bwa mwĩrĩ ikirithagia gĩtũmi ajibatete mĩoyo mbele ya njara jiano ntubwa kwa ũtungata bwa mpwe na kiri kuthiria thina ino na gutigira ajibate gutamio kairi no ntubwa kwa ũtungata bwa mpwe mwathakirira kĩrũgima bwa mwĩrĩ obisine mutongero wandi Rais William Ruto aruga thirikari ili mibango ni ya kulikiria KIGIINA kĩũrigitani bobomu KIGIINA kĩrĩa gĩgatigĩra Kenya balaba kuona metino na mbaju jampwe ni bakuona ũtungata kĩrĩ mathibitari mama.
So the emergency fund is expected to, at minimum, of course, provide the evacuation so that the person reaches to the nearest healthcare facility. And the second thing is that that person is guaranteed that the facility will be willing to provide, stabilization services, more so the 24-hour stabilization services that nobody want to provide because they don't know who will pay for them.
Mwathakirira jwa Rais William Ruto aligona KIGIINA ikiye kirwa inyane watho gigatigira gutethibitari kulega kunenkanira ũtungata bobo bwa mpwe kiaje nontu maraima kethura memalie ni thirikari.
Now when we get the fund, this is the fund that will be able to shoulder this cost so that the provider is even willing to actually take this patient and be able to stabilize them.
Kulingana na mwathakirira uju lebala watanite na foundation ya Emergency Medicine Kenya kili kuthomithia arigitani mauntu makono ũtungata bwa mpwe aruga mũtaratara wa marĩ mama no kilitwo kilole ni Rais William Ruto na kiria kilio thaino ni kuthondeka watho bwa kwainya KIGIINA giki na gutigira Kenya ni bakugwata ũtungata.
Now, having said that, the act is already assented to by the president, and you know that the work that is going on now is to think of the how. The how is the regulation. How will this emergency care fund be operationalized? With this kind of initiative that you are having this morning, ladies and gentlemen, I think it is a high time, because you specialize in this kind of area, you come on the table so that we are all able to come up with a package of care that will be able to address the emergency need for our country.
The Emergency Medicine Kenya Foundation is an NGO that supports government and healthcare providers to strengthen the emergency healthcare services in Kenya through capacity building, knowledge development, advocacy and research. Emergency care has always been provided in the country. It's just that the frameworks have not really been well developed in the past. I think we're tired of Kenyans dying. By strengthening the emergency healthcare system, there's a potential to reduce mortality across board by up to 50%, and this is something that has been proven and shown by WHO, and we hope to see these benefits by strengthening emergency care to reduce all our mortalities, whether it's malaria, TB, HIV, all of them, because the exit point is always needing emergency care, which has lacked for many years.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, rangi wa Kathenya.